I'm going to switch the line so that we can actually cut the other section off and fit that piece inside this one so we can weld it. Okay. So we'll start with the small one first, just to open it up a bit. Just to open it up a bit. Basically, now we'll open it up a bit more. And then now you see I have a sample piece, so I'm gonna see if that piece will fit inside of here. Very good. This is just a sample piece. So now this one, open it up. So this should fit in there like that. And then I just weld around there. See, when I set up and I'm ready to weld, I'll get back. All right, bye.